Hello and welcome to Will You Press the Button? That's the real question. Will I or will I not? So, it's very simple. If, well, if you choose to press the button, whatever this is would come true if it were real life, but it's not. Or if you choose not to, then it won't. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So, you standing with anyone you ever meet for the rest of your life. Okay. But the first time you make physical contact with that person, you will relive their worst experience in a dream. Hmm. No, I think I'm good. It was good. So, you will solve problems of global warming, overpopulation, and starvation. But you will live out the rest of your life alone and penniless. Yeah, sure, why not? I'll work for food. Yeah, that was good. Okay. Think the next 50 things you touch catch on fire. Wouldn't I just touch the floor and it turns into gold? And then it'll catch on fire? No. Unless you just have like something you want to catch on fire. So, it was a good one. It was perfect. Um, you'll be able to travel back in time, but you will be a snail there. Nah. How? You catch. You can back time a DeLorean. I don't know what that is. You you can't kill anyone important. Uh, or have or relationship travel to the future. Um, sure. I'd love to see what actually happens. That was good. Hmm. Everyone will genuinely taste or agree with your taste in music, but your hair never looks quite the way you want it to. Don't care. Good. You can silence people at will, but during their silence, you have a 1% chance of shitting yourself. Well, hey, it's just 1%. Might not be that bad. That's good. You have an incredibly attractive and physical appearance. But everyone who meets you will automatically uh, promiscuous and scandalous. No, don't care. Bad. Nobody would like you. You become as powerful as a god. A god? But humanity treats you like you are. Why would I want that? I'm good being a normal human being. It's good. It's still good. You can teleport anywhere with your mind, but every time you teleport, you will forget who you are. Well, I just get a reminder. Yeah, it was good. You can fall asleep instantly, but the the sleeve ghost will you? What? No. That was bad. I can fall asleep just fine. You have citizenship of all countries, but if you stay at one country more than a month, it gets conquered by the Ottoman Empire. Why don't I just move back? I don't know. Still good. You can create your own game, and it becomes game ever and goes down in history. But you'll be greedy with money and power, and EA buys you out. No. Bad. Okay. Your arms become exceptionally powerful, but your legs become useless. Oh, I like my normal stuff. Yeah, terrible. You get a girlfriend, job, or life, job, house, and generally a good life. But you can never play video games again. No! No! It's terrible. You can physically, emotionally, and spiritually move any person you choose. Ooh. But your inner thoughts always play out as a voice inside your head that can't be cursed through cured through uh, therapy and is sentient. Uh, well, then what conversations with them or whatever voice inside my head is? I could just have conversations with it, and it might give me good advice. It's good. Okay, start a new life, get a better job, accomplish your goals, and move to a better place. But you have to solve the of your own disappearance and watch the breaking of your family's heart and not be able to tell them it's you. No, that'd be terrible. Bad. Terrible. You can have unlimited sex for the rest of your life, but you can only have sex with the people you hate. No. Why would I do that? No. Bad. Also, I'm 14. You fly, you can never touch the ground again. That's what shoes are for! So you don't have to touch the ground. Duh. Or you could just hover all you want. That'd be amazing. Be awesome. That's a great one. You become one of the most recognized artists in the world, but you get color blindness. No, I like seeing colors. Yep. Great. That was actually good. You get into the college or graduate school of your dreams, but you don't make a six-figure salary and you're burdened with crippling debt for 30 years. No. Yeah, why would people press the button? Yeah, you get to go to the college of your dreams, but your life would suck afterwards. No. Terrible. You know the answers to any question of in all of existence, past, present, and future. No one will ever believe you. Okay, that'd be perfect on tests. I think I'll leave the video here. Would you press the button or not? That's so. Then leave, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.